Hey everybody, Tracy Brown, your somatic nutrition therapist and attuned eating expert. And this is a very short, quick video. That way I can get you off going on your day-to-day to let you know that sometimes we're feeling like when we start to eat with full permission or to break some of the rules and food rules, that we deem it as like either something that is making us feel out of control or something that we have to get right. And therefore, it kind of ends up feeling like just another version of what we're already struggling with. So what I want to say to that is if we can flip it to, what does my body need and want? What's the truth? And can I use each and every eating experience, make it an experience and not like I have to eat a certain way, meal 1, meal 2, meal 3. But each time I go to eat as an eating experience and something I can learn from, we're more likely to, or less likely to feel like I've got to do it right, knowing that every single time we eat, we get feedback, and based on that feedback, we will get another chance, because we will get hungry again, that's a guarantee, to do more or less of what just happened before. So I just want to share that with you. It's a quick little message today, and so your action step is to go to your next meal, not at how do I get this right and how do I do it right, but okay, what does my body need? And after you eat, what was the feedback and what did I learn? And there will be a difference sometimes between what your body says and maybe what your head says. And a quick example would that be, let's say you had a bagel with butter for at least for a part of your breakfast, hopefully it's not all of your breakfast, unless that means it's snack breakfast. But anyway, let's say you have that and your body's saying, oh, I think I'm fine, that was good, but your head's like, oh my gosh, the carbs, what's gonna happen? You'll see it's not a match. And so your job is to be able to look at what is bringing you fear about what you just did versus the reality of your body saying, oh, that was fine, I feel fine. Okay, and so what you're learning is like, oh, I have some food rules to clean up. It's not that bagel made something bad happen in my digestion, or that anything magically happened with my body or my weight. So again, that's your action step for today. Please leave in the comments below like how that went for you, and if you were able to even do that one meal today, get feedback from your body versus judge it, and go to the meals learning or being willing to learn versus I have a place of like controlling the outcomes or judging the outcomes. All right, talk to y'all soon. And this week we are going to be talking a lot about what intuitive eating is and isn't, how to explain it to people, what you're trying to do in your recovery, and just in general, feeling like we can start riding the waves of the nuances more versus like again, we want to move away from all or nothing even with this process as well. So that's our agenda for this week. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Take care. Bye.